Okay, so we need to do the count if expandable range means hello Danny. Hello.
So I
Jai.
got it. It was not connecting me.
Okay.
Yeah, I joined.
Okay, good. Okay. Now, so count if type not count for the all the values expandable range. Okay. So expandable range will give the count as repeat. We need to get the count 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Example. So say expandable range means so when you select this, how many times this is there? Then as I copy paste, this range and count will increase. Okay, not count for everything. As I copy, my range should increase and count also should be according to that. Suppose example like I can ask see 275 how many times are in this count one. See here 271 277 1 278 like that. Then when I go here, so for this record 275 twice, right? So for this row 12th row it should get 2, right? So 275 is 1, 275 2. That is nothing but expandable range means range is expanding. For that we need to get count for the value. So example see here count if so select this see my range is this only d5 d5 or then look up value d5 see d5 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 okay. So for this only one is there, but here see because if I select 2 here my count will be 2, but I want to count only to this range. So then I copy, when I copy from starting point should be there only, but my range should increase as I copy it. Okay. For that we need to fix the starting one, starting cell. Then see here. Now when I get to F2, see my range is expanding. See here D5, D6. D5, D6, what is the second element count like this? So when you see here, see first one, see second, then see the third, like this. For this, we need to add to this. Now, along with the invoice number, my count also will get add. That means what? This is a complete unique. See, one first time, so 275. Second time, 275. Don't you think this is unique? When you remove duplicate, we don't see the any duplicate values here. That is the first step we need to do. So revise the invoice number. Now same thing what we need to do here. Okay, first we need to do similar kind we need to get here first before going to VLOOKUP. Please remember. So count if. Okay. So shift colon we need to do same range will come. Then here. Okay. Close the bracket, unsign and put this. So count and the invoice number will get. So for this we need to fix it. Now see when you copy here same similar kind, see here as this is a unique records, this also unique records. This is how we need to details should get in the VLOOKUP, right? The features fulfilled. Now this is the lookup value, then go ahead. Okay, so VLOOKUP. So this is a complete formalized lookup value, comma. So my lookup range from here, revised invoice number, revised VLOOKUP column. See here, okay, F4, comma. So column see here. Now this 1, 2, 3, okay. comma 0.
It's not the best.
Adjust मेरे बच्चे.
Now see here, ABC, XYZ. So third thing, MNU company. See, first card first, second, third. See, in the report, I don't say the calculated column, separate column, but source table is there. Here, formula itself, I build the unique record. Okay, that's how it is. Same thing, what I need to do here, this lookup column till where here, till here. Okay, so I copy this and put this. Then let's see how it will happen now. No, what is the problem?
Table or non-stable you have to change.
Hello? Eli sir, leave it. One second, sir, 1 second. No, I made some mistake. So, here I need to change the table. Yes, Kanta identified correct. Yeah. So C column. Okay. Then column number 5. That's all. This adjustment you need to do. Yeah. Now, what is the value? Correct value. So duplicate it also will get values accordingly. So expandable array is important. For this, count if. Count if should do with expandable range, so that again for the number you need to add the lookup value. So automatically this become unique. Once this unique, okay, so automatically you are fulfilling VLOOKUP concept, right? No duplicate records. Always remember, feature will never change. So one formula has only one feature. That by using the formula, we need to fulfill the feature. Okay, very, very important. Okay, got it? Got this now?
Sir,
Yes, madam.
sir, when we are doing this expandable range, the first one which you did in the C column, I got this correctly.
Yeah.
When I tried doing in the customer name in the second table, I got for the first one, the customer name, but it's not working in the second column, sir.
Just count if and see, first you need to helper column, you need to unique of this, correct?
That I have done, sir. That came out correctly. It came for all the
same thing you need to do for here also. Here also, first you need to do the count if whether you get the unique number for this or not, you need to check.
First one I got, sir.
No, madam. See, you need before giving the VLOOKUP, check whether you have you get this details or not.
I got that, sir.
You got this right?
N5 till N5 I do. I got that, sir. I got that correctly.
Here also you can number and
I'm getting that. I'm
No,
getting that.
simple. You need to copy this till equal sign. Okay. Then start the VLOOKUP. So lookup will paste the formula, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then lookup range from helper column you need to select.
That also done, sir.
Then so what?
1, 2, 3.
3, right? 1, 2, 3, third column.
sir.
So put 3, comma 0.
Sir.
So, so when you get, automatically you will get the result. See here, copy paste. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you will get. You must get.
I had frozen one column, sir. Sorry,
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
it. Oh,
Okay.
got it. Thank you, sir.
Any questions from others? Got it, everyone? So for the other columns, dynamic, all you need to do it. So column match, all that you need to do it. Okay. So how to address this? You need to focus. Clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Once, if you are okay, we need to go for the important, unique thing. We are going to learn. Okay. If everyone is said okay, then I'll go ahead. Otherwise, I'll not move.
Okay.
Okay. Arish,
Yeah, okay, sir.
Arish, are comfortable? Arish, are you there?
I think he's on do something.
Harish is mute. Mounathan, Harish, talk. Okay, anyway. Now, the next challenge. Okay. See, this is a challenge, okay? This is like, one of the cases, like, I happen to do the automation. Harish, are you back? Harish. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now, this is the invoices again. Okay. Now, this invoices, maybe don't take the invoice number, customer number in a way, okay? Because invoice number cannot be every day, right? So just assume in a customer, right? Or sales representative, whatever, okay? But you can say sales rep. Sales representative. So he, example, I put to today's date, okay? 10 2021. 2021. Okay. These are today's details. Today's sales. So this is yesterday's sale. 9/7/2021. Okay. Now here, okay, 10/7/2021. Then here 9/7/2021. Okay. Now every day I need to compare from maybe today's sales to yesterday's sales. Okay. Today's sales to from for the say this representative. Okay. I need to compare today's sales or values with the yesterday value. I need to say the difference, change. How can you do that? How can you see the comparison? As a question now. So very, very important. Think, how can you do it? First in that, you need to understand the question. Suppose you understand, please ask me. If you thoroughly understand the question, then you go to think. If you don't understand, don't think. Okay? Wrong, garbage in, garbage out. Understand wrong, understand, go to the wrong result, wrong formulas. Okay? Don't do that. First, clearly understand the requirement. My requirement is I need to compare between today's sales with yesterday's sales. Every day you need to do that. Okay. Suppose tomorrow I where is that sales? This sheet. Okay. I'll do one thing. So delete this. Okay. No problem. So again tomorrow. So I'll move our copy. Okay. Then create copy. So where we can create copy here before this. Then 11/7/2021. Okay. Then here, so 11/7/2021. So 10/7/2021 means put automatically will get the result. How do you do that?
So do VLOOKUPs and take a difference, I mean, minus on the column G.
Okay, now we should fix only one lookup formula. Yes, yeah, agree. This pivot look from this table, this lookup from this table. Tomorrow I should not do VLOOKUP again. Do not build build formula. Sorry for the spelling. Formula every day. Okay. Do not build formula every day. Now, as you said,
Anand, hyperlink to the tab, tab with the tab name.
tell me how. Yeah, good. How? Yeah. How?
So
Good. Plan is very good. Tangatana. That how?
like with I think we have a formula, right? So that go formula, like when we click on it, will go to
Hyperlink.
that particular.
No, Kanta. Hyperlink to navigation. Okay.
Okay.
Hyperlink only navigation. We need to.
No, that will also go to specific tab, right? So based on the tab name.
See, when you click here, it will go to tab. But I need to result now.
Yeah. So with that, we have to put the VLOOKUP. I was thinking.
No, we cannot. No. Hyperlink only navigate. Move. Just select from one sheet to another sheet or one cell to another cell. But that will not pick the value.
Mm-hmm.
But good thought, but same line need to think. Same line. Think, but different formulas. See, definitely put the thought process, you will get the result. See, I am not expecting, suppose when you have the data, we don't expect any time same data, same day result. Okay, so maybe think we'll get. Until and unless you get the result, don't give up. Okay, the formula, or don't give up with girl. Okay. So both are same. Okay, if not today, try tomorrow. Okay, like that. Finally you get it. I am sure definitely you are thinking. Good. Think. One more minute I'll give.
Sir, every day new tab will be created, is it?
Yes, daily. See, this is the project I did for one of the projects. They compare the daily stock inventory reconciliation. They need to see the trend every day. Okay, so every day they create the sheet and get the details. They download from the application. Okay, so I need to see the trend. Just I need to paste the data in one sheet, come automatically the difference. Just to change the date, difference will come. So these details should pick from the respective tabs. Whatever the whatever the dates you put, For that comparison required. That's all. Daily basis you should do. Thus people struggling to do the VLOOKUP every day. If you don't do lookup properly, you will get wrong result. But through this 100% accuracy, because date correct na. That's all. 100% correct. Otherwise, every day you need to change the VLOOKUP. No, I don't.
Sir, match formula will work here.
No, match formula for headers. But
Correct.
no, the tabs, na.
Index.
No. Think. I'll say straight away no, but don't feel bad or think. But think. Go ahead.
Sir, address.
Address. Okay. How can you create address, Danny?
To get a dynamic selection and all that.
Yeah. Very good. So I'll not build a, but give the clue. That's all. Doesn't have address formula will be there. Address formula two ways can do, straight away or full formula or partial. Okay. Partial formula I can do that. Okay. Now suppose I give the range first. Okay. How can you get the range here? So see, always like this, right? So range is created. Now what we need to do here? So the layman point of view, double init code. See, for everything you need to put the create through address. Okay, address can be created through two ways. One is straightforward. Too many things are there, but I will give the layman point of view. Carefully observe this: single quote, tab name, and single quote, exclamatory, and the range. Got it? We need to split like this. So double init quote, then double init quote. See here, in between double init quote, I have the single quote. See, this I delete it because tab name is here. Then again unsigned. Then again double init quote. Here put double init single quote and exclamatory inside double init quote, unsigned. Then range like this. Here range, right? Now this 4 should fix. Now see here 10th, right? Now this is the only address. Formula cannot understand address, so we need to put indirect. Okay? The table range. That's all. Okay? Now copy this equal. Now we look up. Okay? Now so table array, we have the formula, paste it. Now so what is the value? Maybe fourth column, we'll change this, then 0. So not due for at the fifth column. Fifth column. No, what is the
Third column at least.
third column? Yes. Yeah. See, this is a reference. Lookup value. It changed because I didn't fix. See here. So I go on to change because the value didn't change. So I ran between 25 and 2999. Okay, copy paste. This is my favorite project. See here. Now suppose I compare between 2 and 3. So 1 and 2 example. Okay. Now, so see the same format 0 2, right? So single quote, 02072021 02 see 280 I think here 280 is not there. That is the reason. Okay, here we'll see here. See, we'll get here. Okay. Now this third. Okay. So 03072021. I think wrong 0307 typing errors. Okay. 0307 03 date is not there. Okay, 9th date. Okay, 09072021. See here. See here. This is this person. Okay, second day is not there. 9th day is there. So, here person. So second is there. 9th is not there. Okay. Suppose I paste between both the days, 2nd and 9th. So give 2nd and the 9th. See, this is beautiful. You know why I like this, because people they left this is not possible. See here comparison is an increase compared to 2nd, 9th more. That's all. Any date you can give, compare, you can compare. Suppose you can all the details if you want to see there. So change the date. Suppose today 10th. Okay. So I can say the fix it column. See here. Now 11th. Sorry. Copy and paste. See 11th. This is the date. But based on the tags, it will come automatically. No need to. People should. People always doing VLOOKUP. Imagine if you forget VLOOKUP changing. That's all. Your result will go wrong. Right? But this is a way. Address indirect. Very, very important for the dynamic thing. So powerful. Understood? This is direct creation, manual creation. So manual address. I don't use the formula, address formula, but manual address created. Just by, so 10 minutes more. So please, we'll see by the time. So what I did, create selected based this only address. Okay, I gave references, but create address it will take more details. Anyway, we'll do that. Not a problem. But
Can you repeat that, sir? Address creation once again.
so address creation. What I do first? What you should do here? So first for this address. So what you need to do? So select like this. Okay. So we see here how is that single quote, tab name, again single quote, exclamatory, range. For single quote, separate.
You selected only table or a complete sheet, Anand? There.
No, range. A2.
Okay.
Okay. So because E to H only we E to column to H column we need to refer for the VLOOKUP table, right? So that is the reason. Okay. Now, so for that, what you need to do? So this double quote, then double quote, then inverted comma. See this we need to refer. So delete this, then refer this, right? Then this phase 4 because header should be same, right? Then unsign, concatenate. Then put single quote exclamatory in the inverted comma. Then again after exclamatory, again inverted comma. Then unsigned, concatenate, then single quote, sorry, double quote, double quote. That's all. You see here, looks as though we referred this. Now I'll refer this manually. This manually we need to refer for the VLOOKUP range. Now through manual address reference, you see here, any change from this to this, maybe that is different, others same, right? See here, you need to ensure this by keeping all the things separately by putting inverted quote. But inverted quote should be put single quote, then this is refer from this, then single quote, exclamatory, inside double quote, then raised inverted double quote, all concatenated. This is entire manual creation. Then this is a manual address to help X formula to understand. This you need to put in indirect. That's all. This paste in the place of table range in the VLOOKUP. See here, lookup value table array. See, this is a table array. Here to here, it's selected. Okay, please practice it. Very, very important. You don't see anywhere across the projects. If at all, if it's there, you are the best. You can showcase. You all will be stoned out from the group. Beautiful project. Because this is the formula. Through this formula, I got like people think, okay, this person can do anything. That's all. See,
This formula is super, sir.
See, in the VLOOKUP, what is the table range? So when we go to the basic formula side tool, right? Address formula, offset is a range related. So offset range related only by selecting the reference cell. But address manual creation through address, you can get the address complete range, right? That is the reason concept very, very important. Through the concept, anything can crack it. Okay. So why I gave this example, any challenges, through this you can have the confidence, no problem, test, I can see. New situations, immediately, instantly, we cannot get the result. But when you think, maybe 5 minutes or 1 hour or 1 week or 1 month, but definitely we will not leave it. Okay, can you fix it? That's all. Finally, we need to get result.
Anand sir,
Yeah.
sorry sir, can I ask you to repeat the once more the indirect formula which you applied here? I got this first one correct. This I'm getting little bit that single quote, why are we putting, sir?
Single quote, see, it's a formula when you directly when you select here, we equal sign, when you select here, okay?
Yes.
So automatically it's generating, right?
Yes, sir.
So we should not change. Then,
That's
good question. The reason for the generating is, okay, see the change. Single quote is there for this. Now,
yes.
I will go here somewhere. Okay, I'll create one more sheet. Okay, so very good question, madam. So I can say Excel. Okay, now so suppose I go here only again. Where is that? Where I dynamic. This one. Okay. Now same address I create for the Excel, right? Now I'll select this. So you cannot see the single quote, only exclamatory. Exclamatory is compulsory. Single quote is not there.
Mm.
Remember, single quote will generate when there is a number as a in the tab name.
Okay.
Second one, if we find two words as a tab name, then single quote will generate. Okay. Otherwise, single quote will not be generated here. See.
Okay, sir.
Next, one word. Otherwise, two words or word with number, single quote will come automatically. Okay. So blindly don't do that. Always select like this. Whatever generated here, the same way you need to create. But remember blindly whether single quote is generated or not. Put single quote. Reason, suppose now it will work. Suppose if you tomorrow if you put double word, suppose Excel advanced, automatically single quote will not, suppose if single quote will not come in the formula, you will not get the correct result. By default, whether there are not, single quote put, insert it. So with a single word or double word, with the number, without number, it will work. Extend for here, with the external information, it will work. Don't worry, okay? Very good question.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Ah,
when we were doing that, no, sir, in this column, when you put that for that 11 July, no, sir, there I had a doubt. If you could repeat it once again, sir.
this one, right?
So when you were in giving the references, no, sir, that I wanted to see once again, sir.
See here,
We got after this you made changes, no, sir, that once again that and again inverted commas.
yeah,
you
yeah,
put,
yeah.
no, sir.
So
That one.
now, sure. Now I'll do this, okay?
Thank you. Yes.
So I'll enter. After entering, so what you need to do? Single quote, we need to put a double quote here, left
Okay.
and right? Put and save.
Okay.
Then this tab name I delete it. Because tab name I can refer from this.
Okay.
Okay. Then also
Yes.
force should be fixed.
Yes, sir.
Then
Fixed.
this concatenate. Then single quote under single quote asymmetry, put in the inverted quote. Then again concatenate. Then range the